Which automatic self-cleaning cat litter box is actually good? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're breaking down 5 top options to help you keep your home fresh while making life easier for you and your kitty. Product number 1, Cumrige Self-Cleaning Litter Box. First up is the Cumrige Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Priced at $199.96, this unit caught my eye with its large capacity and smart app control. If you want a hands-free solution that keeps your cat's space clean and gives you peace of mind, this is worth a serious look. It's designed to hold waste for up to 15 days, perfect for those weekend getaways. The safety sensors stop the cleaning cycle if your cat approaches, so you won't have to worry about your feline friend getting startled. Plus, its whisper-quiet operation means both you and your cat can enjoy undisturbed sleep, even if they need to use it at night. But here's the thing, some users have mentioned that the app can be a little glitchy at times, which can be frustrating. However, if you're not overly reliant on technology or can do without the app features, this box still delivers on performance and peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you travel often or have multiple cats, but skip this one if you prefer a more straightforward design without smart features. For the price, you're getting a solid product that makes litter box duty a breeze. Now, if the app control bothered you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Fumoi Automatic Cat Litter Box. Next, we have the Fumoi Automatic Cat Litter Box, also priced at $199.96. Similar to the Cumrige, this one grabbed my attention with its extra-large capacity and safety features. If you have a busy household or multiple cats, this could be a great fit. The infrared motion sensors ensure that cleaning stops immediately if your pet gets too close. Plus, the intuitive app allows you to monitor cleaning cycles and receive alerts when the waste bin is full, adding to your convenience. It's also designed to leak-proof, which minimizes messes around your home. Some users have pointed out that the setup can be a bit tricky, which might be a hassle for some. But if you can get through that initial setup, the long-term benefits of having a self-cleaning box are worth it. This is perfect for you if you have multiple cats or are frequently away from home. However, skip this if you want something simple without the tech. Overall, it's a solid investment for busy cat owners. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a more straightforward operation. Product number 3, Pet Pivot Open Top Litter Box. Now let's check out the Pet Pivot Open Top Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box, priced at $129.99. What I liked about this one is its open-top design, which makes it more accessible for senior cats. If your furry friend is a bit older, this might be a game changer. It operates independently without needing an app, which is perfect for those who prefer simplicity. The clever cleaning logic minimizes messes like pancaking, so you won't have to deal with litter stuck to the bottom. One area where some users were disappointed is the noise level. While it's generally quieter than others, it can still be noticeable during cleaning. But honestly, if you're looking for something easy to operate without tech headaches, this is a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you have senior cats or want a reliable, simple solution. But pass on this if you're looking for high-tech features. For the cost, it's a great middle ground option. Now, if the noise factor is a concern for you, let's move on to a quieter alternative. Product number 4, PetSafe Scoop-Free Crystal Tray. Next up is the PetSafe Scoop-Free Disposable Crystal Cat Litter Tray, priced at $58.29. This isn't a self-cleaning box itself, but it's a brilliant solution if you already have a scoop-free unit. If you want easy hands-free cleaning, this is worth considering. With a leak-proof design, it's made to handle messes without any fuss. Plus, these trays can be used for weeks without needing to change them, which is a huge plus if you want to spend less time on litter duty. However, some users noted that the initial cost can add up if you have multiple cats since you'll need to buy refills. But here's the thing, these trays save you the hassle of scooping daily, which many pet owners find worth the investment over time. This is ideal for you if you want a no-scoop solution for your existing scoop-free box, but skip this if you're looking for a standalone litter box. For the price, it's a fantastic addition to your litter box setup. Finally, if you're looking for a complete self-cleaning solution, let's check out the last product on our list. Product number 5, PARUNTYS Self-Cleaning Litter Box. Last but not least is the PARUNTYS Self-Cleaning Litter Box, priced at $126.53. This unit stands out with its spacious open-top design and dual safety tech. If you're looking for something that prioritizes your cat's comfort and safety, this one's worth a look. The open-top design allows for easy access, which is great for cats of all ages. It features 7 sensors to ensure it pauses when your cat approaches, so you won't need to worry about accidents. The 15-liter sealed waste bin is designed to trap odors tightly, making it low maintenance and perfect for busy days or short trips. However, some users mention that the design may not fit into smaller spaces easily. But honestly, if you have the room, the open top and odor control features make it a great choice for multi-cat households. This is great for you if you prioritize safety and comfort for your cats, but skip it if you have limited space. Overall, at this price point, it's a strong contender in the self-cleaning category. So there you have it, 5 solid options for automatic self-cleaning cat litter boxes. Whether you're looking for smart features, a simple design, or a budget-friendly option, each product has something unique to offer. Say goodbye to the hassle of scooping and hello to more time with your furry companions.